Have you ever driven across the magnificent San Diego Coronado Bridge and wondered how such a grand structure stands firm against the powerful coastal winds? It is a fascinating feat of engineering that ensures safety and stability for everyone crossing. Bridge designers prevent wind damage to the Coronado Bridge through a sophisticated combination of aerodynamic shaping, inherent structural flexibility, and continuous monitoring. Their goal is to ensure the bridge can safely handle even the strongest gusts San Diego has to offer. The primary mechanism behind this resilience lies in its design as a pre-stressed concrete box girder bridge. This specific type of structure is inherently aerodynamic. Instead of presenting a flat, solid surface to the wind, its curved and hollow sections allow air to flow smoothly around and through it. This greatly reduces the force of wind pushing against the bridge, mitigating the risk of powerful uplift or twisting forces that could cause damage. To achieve this, engineers carefully analyze wind patterns and speeds using advanced computer models and wind tunnel tests during the design phase. They consider factors like vortex shedding, which is when wind creates oscillating forces that can make a bridge vibrate. The Coronado Bridge's unique 20-degree curve also helps to disrupt these wind patterns, adding another layer of passive wind resistance. Furthermore, the bridge is designed with a degree of flexibility. While rigidity might seem desirable, a completely unyielding structure can actually be more vulnerable to extreme forces. The Coronado Bridge is engineered to sway and absorb some of the wind's energy, much like a tall tree bends in a storm rather than snapping. This allows the immense energy of strong winds to dissipate safely throughout the structure. This smart design means that the San Diego Coronado Bridge is not just a beautiful landmark, but also a testament to thoughtful engineering, built to withstand the elements and provide a secure passage for all who use it, connecting communities safely for many decades to come.